Hello, YouTube. This is another Adventures with Matt and Timmy. I'm Matt.
I'm Timmy.
And today, I have no idea where Timmy's taking me.
We are going to the Mayberry Cafe in Danville, Indiana.
Ah, the famous Mayberry Cafe.
Yes, famous. They actually have done documentary style movies on it. They actually just filmed a I forget exactly the name of it, but it's the newest Mayberry film they're making. Actually, back during the fall, they used the square to produce some of their footage for that movie.
Yeah, I remember seeing that on our way down to get the tenderloins. I can't remember the town.
Mecca.
Yeah,
yes.
The Mecca Tavern.
Yes.
So we will see you guys when we get there.
See ya.
Good morning, YouTube. This is your boy Matt with another infamous voiceover. I couldn't get to Danville with Timmy in time before the sunset, so our boy Timmy went around town taking pictures. And I will explain some of the pictures and we'll go over some history. Let's get into it. One thing I love about old towns is all the cool old houses. Most of these homes on Main Street date back to the late 1800s, and boy are they beautiful. Danville was founded in 1824, and 1 year later it had its first post office. Danville was incorporated as a town in 1835. The original Enders County Courthouse was built on site 1863, but it had to be demolished after a portion of its roof collapsed in 1907. The building was rebuilt on the current site. A stunning example of architectural, the courthouse is built nearly entirely out of Indiana limestone. The bell in the picture is from the original courthouse. Danville has more than one park, but we're going to talk about Ellis Park here. Ellis Park sits on 49 acres. That is transformed into holiday spectaculars, with one of them being the Winter Light Show with over 1 million twinkling lights. So if you like light shows, go to Ellis Park in Danville, Indiana. Since I mentioned that they're open year-round, one cool thing to do is do a winter hike along the park's wooded trails. I don't know about all you, but I like the small towns, and Danville is full of history. So much that it'd take me an hour to tell you all about it. But I broke it down. If you like old small towns, go to Danville. It is pretty cool. And yeah. Now let's get to the food. Hey YouTube, we just got back from, oh bless you. We just got back from eating.
Down.
That's Timmy's co-star, Regis.
He's a cool dude.
Sometimes I wonder if that's Regis and Kelly Lee.
Sometimes it is.
But anyway, like I said, we just got back from eating. Hey, bless you, boy. And
He's allergic to bullshit, apparently.
apparently, I might have to bleep that one out.
He's allergic to BS.
But yeah, so that was my first time going in there. or ridden by there many times. And I gotta say, the inside, it's like an old cafe.
Quaint.
And Andy Griffin stuff everywhere.
Oh, of course, because it is Mayberry.
Yes, it is a Mayberry Cafe, so it makes sense. And they had the Andy Griffin show playing non-stop, which is fine. Because, like I was telling him, every once in a while I'll be flipping through those channels and I'm like, oh, Andy Griffin, and I'll stop and I'll watch.
It's always cool to see Ron Howard as a little boy. instead of Rishi Cunningham.
But I'll start with my meal. I had the pork tenderloin, breaded pork tenderloin, and French fries. I have to say, this tenderloin was better than the Mecca pork tenderloin. It's not as big as my head, but it was very satisfying, very fulfilling. The fries were pretty good too.
I had the pork ribeye, which was actually another choice of our waitress.
Oh, I forgot to mention that, didn't I?
Yes. She gave us 3 options, and actually we both had one of her options. It had a sweet glaze on it, man. It was fantastic. It was a fat boy's paradise. If you don't believe me, ask him.
It was. I had to have a chunk of it, and well, he left the last bite, so I just snatched that up real quick.
Yeah, he did. He's like, "Are you going to eat that?" Trying to stab me with his fork. It scared me. And I also had green beans with it. And, you know, a lot of places would normally just give you canned green beans and call it a day. These actually was cooked with onion. You know, you had some bacon flavor to it too. So they was quite tasty as well. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a good solid 9 at least. Probably closer to a 10 because it was tasty. I will go back for that.
For sure, the next time I go, because I will go just for that. That's how good it was. I was actually kind of mad that I got the pork tenderloin. But she did tell us that it was ranked 4th best in Indiana.
Yes.
And so far, I have to agree with that.
Yeah, at least.
Even though I don't know what the other 3 are.
Exactly. It'd be interesting to find those 3 out, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, like I said, fortunately for me, it's not that far from my house.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a drive for me, but not too bad.
I throw some in dry ice for you or something. Let's ship it to you.
Ship it to me.
Let's ship it to you. Ship it to you fresh. Housekeeping.
As long as it's on dry ice and it's not frozen, it's still considered fresh, to be honest.
Exactly.
So, a flash freeze, it's still fresh.
Exactly. It's all good. Right, Grege? Yeah. Go back to your food. See, all this talk about food, he got hungry too, so yeah.
He never feeds them.
Never.
Anyway, hope you all liked this video. If you did, please subscribe,
Like, watch,
share. Definitely share.
Please share.
And leave a comment. We really would like to have another suggestion from you guys. We got one last week, and we're talking about doing that one.
Yes, we are.
Unfortunately, it's going back to Turkey Run, but maybe I can talk him into going further into the park.
Maybe.
Probably not. I probably have to go back there by myself.
It depends. I mean, it wasn't like usually going back there by yourself on a 32-degree day.
Well, true.
Yeah, see what I got to put up with?
See what I got to put up with?
Brother.
I'm not your brother.
Yeah, I know.
He's down south.
Yes, he is. Way down south.
My brother lives further.
Well, your brother's up north.
Yeah, we got a foot of snow the other day.
Yeah. How you doing, Chuck?
Yeah, Chuck.
How's the snow?
How's that cold?
Eh? So anyway, like always, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Our numbers are slowly going up. That's what we're shooting for, so appreciate you guys.
Yes. Yes.
Till next time.
Till next time.